am a transgender woman, and of course, sometimes I miss my dick, my penis. Because when I go to pee, when I used to have my big dick, I will pee standing. But since now I have my pussy, the small, delicate pussy Esther, I have to sit and let the pee drip. I am a transgender woman, and I have a son. And my son calls me Daddy. So if he calls, if I'm on a public area with a couple of friends, I have to find a way of sneaking so that I speak with my son with a daddy voice. How are you, Tanya? Well, I am a transgender woman and I love doggy. My favorite sex position is doggy. Yeah, so don't take me for granted that since I have a vagina, you request a missionary. I'm not yet used to that missionary. Yeah, I've been doing doggy for 15 years. This pussy is new now. Give it time. Missionary is not my own. And well, I am a transgender woman. I have a male bone structure. Don't think that since I put lipstick or I have a pussy that I have a female bone structure. No. My bone structure is of Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, Didier Drogba, Tiger Woods, male bone structure. So if you dare me to go